Adjust the flux capacitors. Verified. Recalibrating energy output.
Initiating primary charge sequence. All personnel, stand by.
Railgun systems online.
In train.
Engagement sequence initiated. Target acquisition.
By. Energy reaching operational parameters.
Power engaging on grid 7. Systems check, all green. Initiate charge sequence, charging to 70%. Status on weapon lock.
Power levels are critical. I can't stabilize it. Vent the steam.
Engaging test fire sequence. Copy that. Monitoring levels. Power transfer complete. Stand by.
The calibration is within specifications.
Reviewing the energy output now.
Proceed with the final diagnostic sweep.
Look at the energy output on Sector 4. I see it. Increasing shield input.
Engaging recalibration sequence. Error shifting, holding steady. Confirmation. Parameters locked. Success.
Systems initializing. Setting power parameters. Calibrations complete. Proceed to firing sequence. Firing in 5. Engaging blast shields. Initiating firing sequence. Power at 70%. Compensate for thermal drift. Firing in 3, 2, 1.
The stress fracture is showing higher resonance than expected. Check the phase array calibration. It might mitigate the harmonics. All systems show green.
Initiate power test.
Readings stable.
The capacitor is engaged. Systems check. Power stabilizing. Targets acquired. Initiate firing sequence. Systems nominal. Launching now. Direct hits confirmed on all 3 targets.
Targets confirmed. Stand by for weapon prime.
Locking on. Systems green.
Firing sequence initiated.
Engaging target. Firing railgun. Impact confirmed. Moving out.
Analyzing data. Energy output is stable.
Initiating diagnostic check now. The primary alignment is off by 3 degrees. We need to compensate for the thermal expansion. Let's run a full diagnostic sequence now.
Target lock. Identified. Tank MK3. Target acquired. Ranging 482 meters. Adjusting precision speed. Confirmed. Locked. Report status. Systems green. Impact confirmed. Residual heat signature is high. Analyzing data. Peak velocity approaching.
Power output is stable.
Engaging stabilization. Output is successful. Power readings are stable. Initiating primary charge sequence. Status green, pushing to 80% capacity. Weapons are hot.
The data conforms phase 7. We need to bypass thermal regulators.
Understood.
Agreed, pushing to full velocity.
Power build at 90%. Charging complete. Systems ready. Proceed to launch.
Initiating simultaneous discharge. Target acquisition confirmed. Power transfer complete. Engaging test sequence. Power grid holding. Unit 1 is critical. Simultaneous test initiated. Warning, power fluctuation. Shut it down, shut it down. Power grid status, unstable. Simultaneous surge detected. Red alert. Unit 1, charge status, 99%, critical overload.
Integrity checks pass. Readings align perfectly with the post-test schematics. Stability looks solid.
Settings locked. Scanning complete. Looks good. Charging systems initiated. Power transfer at 80% and stable. All systems nominal. Ready for launch. Engaging recalibration sequence. Confirming coordinates. Final lock in 3, 2, 1. Set.
Systems indicate a successful power stabilization.
Pulse discharge status is green.
Initiating final diagnostics.
Targets acquired. Engaging sequence 1. Critical impact. Moving to sequence 2. Confusion. Disengage and analyze. Power engaging. Systems check. Ready to fire. Fire sequence initiated. Firing weapon 1 and 2. Target impact confirmed. Firing 3 and 4. Engaging 5.
Successful activation, all systems green. Unbelievable. We did it.
Success! It worked! Readings are nominal! Outstanding work, everyone!
Test complete. Systems stable. Energy flow passed. Confirmed success.
Confirmation sequence initiated.
Systems online. Mission protocol activated.
Successful test. All parameters met.
We did it. Time to call it a day.